Pak Choi is one of my all-time favorite vegetables. Growing it in a greenhouse helps protect the leaf from pricky insects. It's crunchy and absolutely delicious. I used to buy it from the grocery store, but sometimes it has a beach-like taste and was touched instead of crunchy, so I decided to grow my own. When you purchase the seed, there are clear instructions to follow step by step. I use a water spray made from garlic and chili or only a dish soup mixed with water to keep the insect away. No chemical spray for me. Growing my own vegetable is so much healthier. Plus, you can let one plant flower and collect the seed when them are fully dry to plant it again next year. It truly brings me joy to grow my favorite vegetables and cook with them. I absolutely love the harvest season. All the vegetables you see were gathered in just 5 rounds. It might seem like a lot, but we truly enjoy putting them all together in one dish with some fluffy rice. That's plenty for us and it fills us with happiness. I get so excited when harvest time comes around. After picking the pak choi, I rinse it until running water, sprinkle some sea salt, let it soak for a few minutes, and then drain it. Let me share 2 different ways to prepare pak choi. First, heat a pan, add some oil, and minced garlic. Stir until it's fragrant. Then, a pinch of sea salt, pak choi, and some scallop. I use dry scallop. You can use fresh scallop too. Cover with a lid. Add water, oyster sauce, sugar. I love to use golden granary sugar. The soy sauce, and stir until everything is cooked too, but not overdone. Sprinkle fried shallots and serve it with fluffy rice. For the second method, heat oil in a small saucepan. Add minced garlic until golden brown, saving some for later use. Then, mix in oyster sauce, light soy sauce, sugar, and some hot water. Stir it well and set it aside to pour over the Pak Choi later. Blanch the Pak Choi in hot water in a saucepan or wok. Once it's cold, place it on a plate and dish it with the sauce you prepare early, then serve. It tastes like home to me and it brings a sense of happiness.